Okay, so today we're going to solve an addition two-digit problem using our place value blocks. The first thing you're going to do is draw your place value chart. This is my tens and this is my ones. In the number 22, there are two ones. So we're going to draw two ones. 1, 2. And there are two tens. 10, 20. This represents the number 22. Now we're going to draw the number 31. In the number 31, there are one ones. So 1. And there are three tens. 10, 20, 30. Now we're going to add our ones first. Always add the ones first. So 1, 2, 3, 3 ones. And we're going to add our tens place, and we're going to count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So we have 50 plus 3 equals 53. So 22 plus 31 equals 53.